If you've ever wanted to be in your own video game like I have, well, I have a surprise for you. Hey folks, I'm OutdoorAnthony, and you're here because you want to know what is the best adventure drone for following you around and getting those cool shots that you really want. I did my research. I wanted something that was lightweight, shot in 8K, that could follow me without any kind of pendant or tracker on me, and is really easy to use for a simple man like myself. If you're interested in that, this is the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX. It can fit in my pocket, but I can take it out and it's totally voice commanded, and you can use your phone as a remote, or you can just have it follow you around and it'll just follow you through the woods shooting in 8K. You can use the app if you want, or you can go straight off of voice commands. Hi Hover, follow. Easy as that. When you want it to stop recording, you put your hand out underneath it, and then it automatically lands, and it's done. How incredible is that? Super easy to use. This thing is extraordinarily light. I can fit it in my backpack, no problem. And I think the footage speaks for itself. All right, here's some perks. Number one, it's super customizable. If you want it to follow from close and up high, you want it to follow middle from down low, you can customize all these different little settings inside of the HOVERAir app. Number two, it's pretty inexpensive compared to other follow drones on the market. Number three is the actual cage that goes around the device is super strong, and this has bumped into trees when I've been stupid with it, and it still holds up super well. It's very maneuverable, it's super durable. One of the downsides I would say is I accidentally hit a tree with it, and the battery popped out of the drone, and it got lost in a creek. I actually can't find the battery. Luckily it comes with two, so that's awesome. But the ease of putting in the battery also is a caveat for the ease of coming out. On top of that, the Wi-Fi range for the remote control only goes a certain distance, not a huge disadvantage because of that follow capacity. I'm a big fan of Skyrim, right? So you follow this guy in third person as we're running around and doing actions. And I wanted to make a video where I can synthesize that. And honestly, these guys reached out to me and they said, hey, we have a drone that follows you. And I was like, oh, that's exactly what I need. So it was a super symbiotic relationship for us to partner together. But every single moment I've turned this thing on, it gets me excited to go out, adventure, and get some awesome recordings. So if you're interested in getting outside, doing stuff like OutdoorAnthony, follow the page, check it out. Hi, Hover. Follow.
Close. Follow.
And that's it. Until next time, I'm OutdoorAnthony. I'll see you out in the woods. Come on, buddy.